Hey everybody, here in the UPR garage again, and we have our new rear sway bar end links that are adjustable for your S550 or S650. You're going to replace your factory non-adjustable rear sway bar end links, and these are especially great for lowered cars. When you lower the car, you want to get that relation from your sway bar to your control arm back into check, and you're going to do that with your adjustment. To replace this setup, you're going to use a 6mm Allen and an 18mm wrench. Pop the Allen wrench in there to hold that stud, and you're going to loosen this with the 18mm wrench. Now, quick tech tip, if you're doing this in your garage, you need some leverage to get this off there. Get another wrench, pop it in there, and now you have more leverage. Loosen that right up. Seems like every bolt on an S550 or S650 is fine thread, so it takes a little bit to get these off. And if you do this one side at a time, you can pretty much dial in the sway bar adjustment to neutral. And once you get it back down on the ground, if you need to readjust, it's easy to do. All right, so slide out your old link, and you're going to insert your new link. The washers are going to go on the outside. What I would do here is just kind of loosen these guys up, the lock nuts. You're going to turn the turnbuckle and just kind of make this either shorter or longer to make that neutral so it goes in and out really easily. And that could be kind of your initial setting, but just kind of make it easy to install. All right, so to tighten the UPR end links, you're going to have a 17mm wrench and a 19mm socket. The wrench is going to grab the rear stud, socket's going to grab the front nut. Just tighten that up, and then adjust the links once you have it tightened. Once the Heim joints are tight, set your initial adjustment and then run your lock nuts down and tighten them up with a wrench. Once your jam nuts are tight and everything is in plane, your installation is done. Now you have your adjustable end links for your S550 or S650 Mustang. Get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR products dealer.